Welcome everybody, the VST back with a camera review of the S23 Ultra. 3 months ago I said that I'm gonna do a camera review to test the capabilities of the S23 Ultra after the final One UI 6 is released, at least the stable one. So now we're here with December update, guys, and I'm shooting HDR10 videos, front camera 60 FPS. So we're gonna be testing the front camera 60 FPS, then also the back camera 60 and 30 FPS to test them zoom cycles, and you're gonna let me know down in the comments what do you think. Now I'm shooting against the sun, backlit scenario, probably one of the toughest for phones like this, okay, so that you can enjoy this beautiful scenery. And it's summer here, so it's not so cold anyway. And now some time for the back camera. All right, UHD 30 FPS. That's for a reason for me to test this zoom, guys. So I found a zoom test object. So first 2x, which is a crop, then a 3x, which is changing lenses, as you can see, to the 3x zoom camera, and then 10x. Right, 10x shot video in my viewfinder. Stabilization is good, I think. Now back to 3x, and now, guys, I'm gonna go directly to the ultra wide. So ultra wide, 10x. Oh, that was bad. Ultra wide, 3x, 2x. Alright, guys, it's not as smooth as the iPhone, but nevertheless I hope that the footage is good. Now I'm going to turn myself against the sun. I got tears dropping from the cold, guys. It's not the best. So this was a switch from the back camera to front camera. Back camera, and now I'm going to start running to test that stabilization. I think, no doubt, guys, one of the best stabilizations in a video on a smartphone. So I'm just very eager to see how Samsung are going to improve that on the S24 Ultra. I'm not sure how much this can be improved, but we have to see in 1 month. One more time, guys. Back camera 1x, 2x, 3x, 10x. Okay. Now ultra wide, 10x. Oh my god, ultra wide, 3x, 2x, 1x, ultra wide. It's not ideal, as we can see. I would have preferred this zoom lens switching to be a bit faster, guys, but maybe it's the HDR10 video. So now let me stop and I'm gonna shoot a regular video without HDR10 plus. Okay, now this is the regular video, guys. I have turned off the HDR10 plus and also the high bitrate, and believe me, high bitrate makes a difference, at least in terms of file size. So now let's just go back to a test subject and test again. So we're gonna go to 10x. Jesus, that's really not ideal, guys. I can see when it's changing the lenses, first it kind of moves the crop away, which is not ideal, and also there is this stutter, which I'm really not a big fan of. I really wish that the zoom lens switching works at least on par with the iPhone 15 Pro Max. One more time. 10x, oh my god. 3x, ultra wide. 10x, probably a bit faster than the non-HDR10 plus videos. 10x, 3x, 2x, 1x, ultra wide. 10x and the ultra wide. 10x, ultra wide, 3x, 2x, 1x. This is circa it, guys. What do you think down below in the comments? Did Samsung really manage to improve the video versus One UI 5.1, or it's circa the same? And now we can test autofocus. Ideal test, guys, with this wind blowing here. It's really hard to get a focus. And by the way, the focus assistance is turned off. Now I turn it on, guys. So now it will just change the lenses and help me get a better focus. So you see how it works? Let's test it here. Okay, see? Alright. Okay. And you can see, by the way, how it changes the lenses to just get the focus, guys, with the assistant. Now if I'm removing the focus enhancer, it's just gonna stay on this one lens, and I would say that the autofocus is actually quite nice. But the moment I turn on the focus enhancer, guys, it will decide to just go and jump and use another camera. And yeah, I think that's the personal setting. Honestly, I don't like it. It's too harsh for me, but it's there in case you want to use it. It's there. One more stabilization test, and now let me get a lock on this guy on the bicycle with the 10x. All right. 3x. This guy is a pro. 10x one more time. Oh, hello, where are you, man? Let me zoom you up to 20x, guys. Now this is 20x digital, use 30 FPS, and now 1x and the ultra wide. Ultra wide, 1x, 2x, 3x, 10x. It's beautiful. 10x is really beautiful, guys. I really hope that Samsung won't mess up the 10x in the S24 Ultra. And now we are back in business with UHD 60 FPS. Now sadly, you know, I cannot change the lenses, but I can go and I can zoom a bit up to 10x, which is, I think, a crop from the main sensor, and it's awful. Alright, this is the 10x. So let me go back to 1x, 10x, 1x, yeah, 4, 10, 10x, 4, 2x, 1x, 2x, 4. Now you see when I'm cropping from the main sensor, it works like an iPhone, but it's all one sensor. Now we got 10x, yeah, and it's not ideal. Now back to 1x. Enjoy this beautiful UHD 60 FPS video on the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and let me know down below in the comments, guys, what do you think? Is the video camera better than it used to be? I think we have a complex scenario here. Check for lens flare. This is really the sun directly hitting my sensors, so I think it's doing a good job. Of course there is some lens flare, but you cannot avoid this. Even though the S23 Ultra has this special coating, and I think still is doing a better job compared to the iPhone 15 Pro Max. One more test, 1x, let's go 4, now let's go 10x, it's digital, I think still it's usable, although if I am now to show you the standard 10x from the zoom camera, it's gonna be better. Now I'm back 30 FPS, guys, and take a look at the 10x here. It's really beautiful. It's really absolutely beautiful. Absolutely marvelous 10x footage video, guys. So I can go up to the building here and show you also the 3x. Again, it's an optical image and it's absolutely fantastic. The 3x and the 10x cameras are one of the best thing inside the S23 Ultra. Tell me what you think, but yeah, that's what I think, guys. And again, I really hope that Samsung won't go away from this. There are a lot of rumors, a lot of leaks, them going to 5x, which is kind of the sweet spot. Honestly, 3x is good, and even if I do 3x, guys, let me show you. If I do 3x right now and I am to zoom up to 5, it's still gonna be a crop from the zoom camera, and it's not gonna be that bad, by the way. So what do you think, guys? Should Samsung go to 5x or keep the 3x and the 10x? So this is 5.1, all right, 3, 10. It's just amazing. And now going back to 1 and the ultra wide, all right? Check the ultra wide, guys, and enjoy this Windows XP wallpaper. All right, I am gonna wrap it up, guys. What do you think down below in the comments? And if you like videos like this, guys, and before me falling, you might want to decide to sub for the channel. Thank you so much for watching. VST over and bye.